This video is for BIM 360 training for the iPad when you're doing inspections. So first things first, you want to open up your app. And then let me add my cursor here. So in the bottom right here, you're going to see this face. You want to make sure you're on the correct project. You can scroll through multiple projects. For this one, we're going to be using the Sandbox project. Then under here, before you start every day, you have to click Sync over here in the bottom right. That is the most important thing, because if somebody else had edited something on the computer or on their iPad, you need to be able to see that information. So hit sync at the start of every day and at the end of every day. This usually takes a couple minutes depending on how much information is in there or how many photos. Alright, so that's done. So here you can see other issues that are created in our test project. Scroll down the bottom left and you want to click issues here. You can see there's other options. Library will show you all the floor plans. Photos will show you any photos that were taken. But issues is what we're going to be working with today. You don't need checklists, updates, or equipment or tasks. So you click issues here. Now this up top, this is how you can sort by your initial view. You can go by location or you can view by all. So if you view by all, you see every issue created. If you click by location, you can look at something in a specific room. So for example, here in room 442, there's 3 items. So to create a new item, first we want to go into our room. So for this, up top in the middle, let's change the location. Let's go into room 440. As you can see, there's no items in this room yet. To start your item, you click this plus sign in the top right. And now we're creating new issue. So now in here, you can type in here, dent in wall. Okay, so the dent in the wall. If you want to add an attachment, you can. You select the attachment tool here, and then the plus sign will get you to the photo. Alright, so now that photo is taken, you can go back into the photo if you want to draw on it or type on it. In the top up here, you see this pen symbol. You click that symbol, and down here are the options you can select from. I like to select this one here, and then you can draw a circle. So if you select the squiggly line down here, you can draw a circle or draw on something or point something out if you need to. There's other options. You can type, you can color, and then that stays attached to that photo. And then in the top left, you click close. So now that is attached to that photo there. This issue is in room 440. Alright, so say you want to add another issue, you hit this plus sign. We're going to put ding and floor. And this one we're going to pin it. So you select this button down here, the pin symbol. This takes you to the floor plan. Now you can see in the bottom left, this blue plus sign. You want to make sure that's selected. And then we want to go over here, we want to mark the location of the ding and floor. Now it already brings over what your comment was. If you want, you can add an attachment. And then status, leave open. Type, you can change work list, architect's punch list. Now to get out of this issue, you click away. Now if you want to add a new issue, you can just tap a new area. If you see something while you're there, or if you want to just pin all your locations, you can put touch up paint. So you can keep on clicking the screen as long as that little blue icon is highlighted. Now if you don't, say I screwed up and I do not want to add this one, up top you just click the trash barrel, deletes this issue. Now you want to go back to this room, you click list, and now you're back in that room. So you can add items with pins, without pins. It makes it more beneficial if you add items with pins, because it makes it easier for the sub to find them. And if you add a photo to everyone, that makes it more beneficial as well. Now say you want to change your room. You click over here, change your room, same process. You just hit the plus sign, add your item. Now down here you can add your most recently used, pin it in the room. We're done there. If we want to change the floor plan to the ceiling plan, there you go. Now the pin in the bottom left is not selected. Select it there. Boom, add pin, dent and wall, click away, You should be adding photos as much as you can, and then you can rotate back between the two plans for this room. Click away. Click list will bring you back to the main ones, and then you're done.